यस मैडम, इसमें ऑलमोस्ट हो चुका था आर्गुमेंट, इनको रिजॉइंडर में देना था, अदरवाइज आपका तो आर्गुमेंट हो चुका था। यस बताइए क्या है।
लॉर्डशिप, जो डिसमिसल और टर्मिनेशन, मतलब जो वर्ड टर्मिनेशन है वो डिसमिसल नहीं है।
हाँ
मेरा कहना है कि डिसमिसल जो होता है वो टर्मिनेशन है।
He is taking the definition of dismissal and termination from the CCA rules.
CCA. Your lordship, in that rule also, the rule 10 talks about the penalties. Penalties regarding the inquiries and everything. And what he was saying is the explanation of that penalties. The rule doesn't say that dismissal does not include termination.
नहीं, बट दोनों अलग अलग डिफाइन किया है।
Your lordship, and there is one case law.
CCA rules.
The case law is Krishna Kumar Kosaria versus State of Chhattisgarh. This case is decided by the Honorable DB of this court. In that case, Your Lordship, in para 22, kindly refer para 22.
Para 22.
22. I flagged it.
Yes.
The scope of word dismissed and removed employed under Article 311 of the Constitution of India came up for the consideration before the Constitution Bench of Supreme Court in the matter of Moti Ram Dheka versus General Manager, North Eastern Frontier Railway, in which Justice Subba Rao, in his concurring yet separate opinion, has expressed that the said word means nothing more or less than the termination of the service of a person's office. The effect of dismissal or removal of one from his office is to discharge him from that office, that is to bring out cessation of service. Thus, the said words comprehend every termination of service of a government servant. Article 311(2) is an effect, therefore, lays down that before the service of government service are so terminated, he must be given a reasonable opportunity of suing cause against such a termination. Here, the word dismiss is
Now here the position जो what I think कि different है कि आपका जो probation period था that was not over.
Your Lordship, regarding this also,
यदि confirmation हो गया होता then the word used as termination or removal.
Your Lordship, regarding that case, that fact also, I have another case.
Because what is important was the cessation of service. The phrase used is cessation of service.
Substantive meaning is cessation of service.
So cessation may be in different ways. So one is termination, as in the present case,
so
non-confirmation.
Your submission would be that there is no confirmation after the completion of probation.
And therefore, this cessation cannot be equated with the cessation of service in terms of removal or dismissal.
Your Lordship, in this case of Dharam Singh, the Honorable Constitution Bench of Supreme Court has decided, that is in para 5, Your Lordship, kindly refer para 5.
Para 5.
It is regarding the deemed confirmation, Your Lordship. In the present,
वही तो बोल रहे हैं कि उसमें कोई clause नहीं है deemed confirmation का.
Your Lordship, the probation period, the maximum probation period is it already expressed in that it cannot be it shall not be exceed more than 3 years. That is decided in this case only. Your Lordship, in this case, Rule 6, as we see in para 1.